Hello students, welcome to Shet Vidya Mandir English High School SSC online audio video lessons. I am Nidhi Srivastava. I am going to teach you chapter number 1 for computer science data representation for 8th standard. So let's start. Data representation. Information in a computer is stored in the form of strings of zeros and ones. The symbols 0 and 1 are together called binary digits or bits and form the binary number system. The memory of computer can be thought of as a vast group of cells. Each of these cells contains one bit of information, that is, each cell contains a 0 or a 1. Bytes, nibbles or word. They may be bytes, nibbles or words depending on the number of bits they have. Byte, a combination of 8 bits forms one byte. Each byte represents one character such as A, B, small a, B, 1, 2, etc. Nibble. A nibble is a group of 4 bits. It can store one decimal digit in its binary form. Word. A group of bits representing data or instruction that forms the basic information unit of a computer is called a word. A word may be of 8, 16, 32 or 64 bits. Other units of memory. Kilobyte, KB, is equals to 2 raised power 10 bytes or 1024 bytes. Megabyte, MB, is equals to 2 raised power 10 KB or 1024 2 times bytes. Gigabyte, GB, is equals to 2 raised power 10 MB or 1024 into 3 times. Terabyte, TB, is equal to 2 raised power 10 GB or 1024 into 4 times. Petabyte, PB, 2 raised power 10 TB or 1024 into 5 times. Extrabyte, EB, is equals to 2 raised power 10 PB or 1024 into 6 times. Zettabyte, ZB, is equals to 2 raised power 10 EB or 1024 into 7 times. Yottabyte, YB, is equals to 2 raised power 10 ZB or 1024 into 8 times bytes. These are the units of memory. Number system. In digital representation, the common number systems used are as decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Number 1, decimal number system. Decimal number system is commonly used. It is composed of 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. By using these digits, you can express any quantity. It is also called the base 10 system because it makes use of 10 digits. The number base is also called the radix. The decimal system is a positional value system or the place value notation in which the value of a digit depends on its position. Example, consider the whole number 573. The rightmost digit position is the ones position, that is 10 raised power equals to 0, 10 raised power 0 equals to 1, sorry. The numeral in that position indicates how many ones are present in the number. The next position to the left is the tens, then the hundreds, the thousands, and so on. LSD and MSD. The rightmost digit has the least positional value, weight. Therefore, it is called the least significant digit, that is LSD. The leftmost digit has the maximum positional value, weight. Therefore, it is called the most significant digit, that is MSD. Consider example 256. Positional values 10 raised power 2, 10 raised power 1, 10 raised power 0. 2, 5, 6. Here 2 is MSD and 6 is LSD. 256 equals to 2 into 10 raised power 2 plus 5 into 10 raised power 1 plus 6 into 10 raised power 0 equals to 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1 equals 200 plus 50 plus 6. Next, number 2, binary number system. The computer system is designed on the binary number system. It has a base of 2. There are only 2 digits, 0 and 1. It can represent any number with these 2 digits. The binary number system is also a positional numbering system wherein each binary digit has its own value or weight expressed as a power of 2. Example, consider the example 1011.0101, a binary number with a fraction. This is the table which shows for a binary number, the binary point separates the whole number part from the fractional part. The place values of the digits to the right of the binary point are got by raising 2 to successive negative powers. Next, number 3, octal number system. The octal number system has a base of 8. It has 8 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Each digit of an octal number can have any value from 0 to 7. The octal number system is also a positional numbering system. Each octal digit has its own positional value or weight expressed as a power of 8. Example, as an example, consider 1267.12, an octal number with a fraction. This is a chart. The radix point separates the whole number part from the fractional part. The place value of each digit to the left and the right of the radix point is got by raising 8 to successive positive or negative powers respectively. Next, hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system has 16 as the base number. It has 10 numeric digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 6 letters, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, where A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 12, D is equal to 13, E is equal to 14 and F is equal to 15. The hexadecimal system is also a positional numbering system. The value of the hexadecimal digit is expressed as the power of 16. Example, consider a hexadecimal number with a fraction A65.C2 and the place values or positional values of each digit as a power of 16. See, this is the table. Now, binary representation of a number. Integers may be represented in 3 different ways in a computer, namely sign and magnitude method, 1's complement method, and 2's complement method. Number 1, sign and magnitude method. In this method, integers are identified by a sign plus or minus and a string of digits which represents the magnitude. To represent the sign of a number, the most significant bit MSB is used. It holds the value 0 for a positive number and the 1 for a negative number. Example, for example, if data is stored as a 1-byte word, plus 23 will be represented as follows: 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Minus 18 will be represented as follows: 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Next, 1's complement method. This method represents positive numbers by their binary equivalents called true forms and negative numbers by their 1's complement forms. Now, let us understand how to find the 1's complement of a binary number. For this, just replace every 0 with 1 and every 1 with 0. Example, for example, the 1's complement of 000 111 00 is 111 000 111. Thus, in this method, plus 28 is represented as follows: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. And minus 28 is represented as follows: 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Next, 2's complement method. The 2's complement represents positive numbers as in the 1's complement method by their binary equivalents called true forms and negative numbers by their 2's complement forms. Now, let us understand how to find the 2's complement for a binary number. For this, first find the 1's complement of the number and then add 1 to it. Example, for example, to find the 2's complement of 000 111 00, 1's complement is 111 000 11, add 1 to it. Now 111 000 100 plus 34 is represented as follows: 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. For minus 34, first find its 1's complement, that is 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Add 1 to it. You will get the number in the 2's complement representation, which is the final representation of minus 34 by this method. This is 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. Thank you, students.